The Propeller Efficiency Interactive Calculator determines the efficiency relationship between thrust power and shaft power for propeller systems. Let's explore the calculator's features. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate propeller efficiency, thrust power, shaft power, advance ratio, thrust coefficient, or power coefficient. For this demonstration, we'll use Calculate Propeller Efficiency. The input fields include thrust power in watts, shaft power in watts, thrust in newtons, flight velocity in meters per second, propeller diameter in meters, rotational speed in RPM, and air density in kilograms per cubic meter, which defaults to 1.225. Additional fields are propeller efficiency as a decimal, thrust coefficient CT, power coefficient CP, and advance ratio J. For our example, I'll enter 10 for each field. 10 watts thrust power, 10 watts shaft power, 10 newtons thrust, 10 meters per second flight velocity, 10 meters propeller diameter, 10 RPM rotational speed, keeping air density at default, and 10 for the remaining coefficients. After clicking Calculate, we get a propeller efficiency of 1.0, which equals 100% efficiency. The performance status indicates excellent efficiency, high-performance propeller operating in optimal regime. This tool streamlines propeller performance analysis for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.